welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm feeling so excited.
Yeah? What made you decide to come and skydive?
I was planning since last 8 years. So finally I made up my mind and now ready
Now
to
it's
jump.
happening.
Ready to jump, yes.
Awesome. So you met David, your instructor? You got the briefing?
Yes.
You understand
the briefing.
everything?
I got the briefing, I understood everything. So yes.
Feeling ready to skydive?
10% anxiety and 90% excitement, yes.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
We'll see you
Thank
up in
you.
the plane.
See you.
Thank you.
You don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. Take me out of the road. I'm going under. All we love, all we've done is just sit around wasting our time. Take me out of the ride. I'm going under. Around wasting our time. Take the ride. I'm going under.
Wow,
How was your skydive?
it was experience of the lifetime. Seriously, I can't express in my words, but amazing. I felt like out of the world, out of the skies, and it made me felt very emotional, very connected to myself, to connected to my spiritually myself. So brilliant. And thank you so
Awesome.
much to David, and thank you so much Tori to you. Amazing. It was beauty.
Thank you for
Amazing.
jumping at Skydive
I'll do it once
Dubai.
again. Whenever I come to Dubai, I'll try it and do it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for a
Thank
lovely,
you.
amazing.